bronze refers to the attributes of Jesus. Jesus is die een wat oordeel, there's judgment. Hy is suiwer, there's purity. Remember, the bronze was refined in a furnace. There's holiness, heiligheid. So when we look at the feet of Jesus, we see all these characteristics, and fire removes everything that's impure. Coming to Jesus removes everything that's impure in me. That's why I want to be at the feet of Jesus. His judgment is pure, perfect, and unchanging. There's a problem. Daar's 'n probleem, want ons is vol sonde. Hoeveel? Vol sonde. And so for you to go and do Bible study, write down Romans 5, verse 13 to 21. That's the part where Paul writes about the first Adam. With the first Adam, sin came in. Julle onthou daai gedeelte in die tuin van Eden. Adam had the word from God. And like men do, he didn't share it with his wife. Not good communication. Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. But Eve went and she saw, whoo, this looks nice. And listened. En toe eet hulle van die vrug. Mens luister en die mens het gedink hy was slim, maar toe sit eintlik die mens dom.